Hello students, we are going to see the word problem of the trigonometry, that is the application of trigonometry. Actually this you have the various applications solved on the Google also. Actually that day I shown you when I conducted the meeting. Now what is the first exercise practice set 6.2 question number 1. Read the question carefully. Here two words I told. One is a line of vision. Second is a when you see up, it is the angle of elevation. When you see down, that is the angle of depression. Three things you have to remember. What is the first question is a person is standing at a distance of 80 meter from a church. Okay, this is a I told कि figure is must over here. तो हमें पहले figure draw करनी है. Suppose this is a something church. उसको नाम देते हैं AB. And the person is standing something in the position of C. A person is standing at a distance of 80 meter from a church, looking at its top. This is 80 meter के distance पे that person is standing. This is the position of the person, and he is looking at the top of the building. This is the top of the church. He is looking, and this angle of this angle of elevation is 45 degree. You are asked to find out the height of the church. अभी ये फिगर तो मैंने निकाली कि तो you have to write this कि what is that. ऐसे सिंपल वे लिखो जैसे टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया डिटेल में. No need to write it in the detail. Which is AB is equal to church. Height of the church. Sorry, height of church. C is equal to position of person. Now BC is equal to 80 meter and angle ACB is equal to 45 degree. Now which trigonometric ratio you get with the opposite? This is the 45 degree angle is given. This is the opposite of 45. This is the adjacent of 45. So which trigonometrical ratio gives you opposite upon adjacent? So we get the tan ratio. You write tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side, correct? Which is the opposite? AB upon BC. What is tan 45? You know, tan 45 is equal to AB is we have to find out and BC is 80. Okay. This one यहाँ पे थीटा की जगह पे 45 डालते हैं. Now you know what is meant by tan 45? This 1 is equal to AB upon 80. So AB also will be equal to 80 meter. Height of the church, answer in words should be there down. Height of church is equal to 80 meter. Is it compulsory to solve with the trigonometry? So no. In the meeting I told you, this is, if you see, this is 45 degree. So this also angle is going to become 45. This will be 90. वो लिखना भूल गए हम. ABC equal to 90 degree. And this is a isosceles right angle triangle. If this angle is 45, this angle is 45. Opposite to that, side roots also are congruent. So if you write this much, and then you write that directly कि it is isosceles triangle property, you can directly write the proof. No need to write and all the things. Okay, but you understand how to solve with the trigonometrical method. Okay, now see the second sum. By the time you can read the second sum, what is the second sum is from the lighthouse. From the lighthouse. From the top of a lighthouse, an observer looking at a ship makes an angle of depression of 60 degree. You know, saw the lighthouse in Ratnagiri. If you go sometime, no, so there is a large lighthouse, and this is allowed to go over there. You can see the lighthouse. What is the use of lighthouse? Why they build the lighthouse? So to keep the watch on the sea, and second, if there is a stony area. Okay, this is a ship. If this is a stony area, then you can keep the watch on that. Stony area भी समझ में आता है और लाइट हाउस से watch भी रहता है. Okay, this is the position of the ship. What is that? At top of the lighthouse, the observer looking at a shape makes an angle of depression. This is a lighthouse. You can draw more than like me. This is a line of vision. पहले वो निकालनी है और एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन उसके साथ होता है, that is a 60 डिग्री का एंगल. This is a line of vision नीचे की उसने. This is the position of the observer. Let us write P, Q and R. What is PQ? Height of lighthouse. What is R? Position of ship. Position of ship. Now what is happening? You can name here something. You can say PS is parallel to RQ. Of course, that line of vision will be parallel to the surface. Now, what is going to become? Angle is PQR is equal to angle PRQ equal to 60 degrees. These are alternate angle. ये लिखना पड़ेगा आपको कि ये भी 60 डिग्री है. क्यों वो लिखना पड़ेगा? अल्टरनेट एंगल्स. इतना लिखा भी ना तो आपको 1 मार्क, 3 मार्क का क्वेश्चन होगा तो 1.5 मार्क यू विल गेट फॉर दिस. ओके, बाकी सॉल्व कुछ भी नहीं किया मैंने, फिगर डाली और इतना सारा जो मुझे पता था वो लिखा. And now what is next is given, we'll see. Height of the lighthouse is 90 meter. Height of the lighthouse is 90 meter. So you have to find the position of the how much, what is the height, what is the distance of the ship from the lighthouse, that you have to find out. Okay. Now what is tan 60? Now again the same thing. I told actually na, many times you are using the values of 6 tan only. Tan 60 is equal to opposite, that is adjacent, that is a PQ upon QR. What is tan 60? But tan 60 equal to, यहाँ पे लिखते हैं tan 60 equal to √3. Correct? So what is going to get here? Therefore, √3 is equal to PQ 90 upon QR. What is going to become? QR is equal to 90 upon √3. अभी यहाँ पे आपको रैशनलाइजेशन करना पड़ेगा. जो हमने सीखा है ना वो आगे आगे मैंने बोला ना कि कभी भी यूज करना पड़ता है कुछ भी. रैशनलाइजेशन मीन्स व्हाट? तो हम 90 के फैक्टर्स निकालते हैं. 30 मल्टीप्लाई बाय √3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय √3. कुछ याद आया? 33 का मतलब क्या है? √3 into √3 and upon you are getting √3. 1 √3 is getting answer. Answer is 30 √3 meter. अभी मुझे तो स्पेस नहीं है राइटिंग इन वर्ड्स के लिए, लेकिन आप उसको वर्ड्स में लिखो. ओके, टू मोर सम टुमारो.